So in the last video, what we have done is we have created two threads. So in class, we have created class A and class B. So in order to create a thread, the one way is to extend a class with a thread class. So thread is an inbuilt class in Java which belongs to a package which is java.lang. Now you can see thread is a thread of execution in a program, and then it provides multiple threading options. So you can see the whole lot of description here. Now, so what we have done is we have created two class and both class extends thread. In both the methods we have in both the class we have a show method, and in both the show methods we have a for loop. In both the for loop we are printing something, and since we want to ask some thread to wait, we are just saying it is thread.sleep. But still, the output we were getting is, so the output we were getting is this. Hi, hello, this is hello, hi, hello, hi, hello. What if I provide a wait after this start? So again, once you call the start, it will call the the run method of the thread. So I can even say sleep thread.sleep, and we can say it's sleep for 1000 milliseconds. Instead of 1000, we can simply say it is as wait for 0.5 second, which is 500 milliseconds. So there's a chance that it will generate an error. So we'll suppress the error, and to suppress error, we can use a throws exception. So again, you can use try catch or you can use throws. So I'm going for throws this time. If I say run as application, the output is hello, hi, hello, hi, hello, hi, hello, hi. Because in the start only I have defined the difference between these two threads. Simple. Now, so these are the two ways. These are the way you can create a thread. Now, what are the features available with thread? We can set something called. We can set the name of a thread. So, how to set the name? You can see after this. Once you have created the object, let me remove the spaces now. Okay. So once you have created the object, we can simply say it is obj dot. So there is a method called as set name. Now set name is just a name for your thread. Set name belongs to a class called thread. You can set a name as a thread. You can say a thread. And then after once you set it, what we can do is somewhere here with hello, we can print the name of the thread. So we'll say get name. So the advantage you'll be getting is whenever it prints hello, it will also print something else, and that is your a thread. So you can also set the name of a thread so that we can make sure that it's printing the same thread. We can do the same thing for obj1. So we can say obj1 dot set name, and in this we can assign something called as b thread. And in this run, in this hi, I will give you a space and then plus it is get name. So if I say get name with hello, it will print a thread, and with hi it will print b thread. Clear? So this set name is a method in thread class. In fact, we have some more features. We can set something called as priority. So we can say set priority. Notice priority. A thread will have a priority from 1 to 10. 1 means minimum, 10 means maximum. So by default, let's first print the priority. Then we'll see what is the how we can change the priority. So we'll say system.out.println, and in this, let me print the priority of obj. So we'll say obj.getPriority. Now if I run this code, it will print the current priority of obj, which is thread A. So we'll say run as application. You can see by default the priority is 5, and 5 here means normal priority. But how to change the priority? So to change the priority, we can simply say it is obj dot. So we can say we can use a method called as set priority, and we can specify the priority as 10. So now if you say priority is 10, it will take the highest priority. Now the advantage of using priority is, let's say two threads going to your scheduler and say I want to print. Scheduler will see the priority of both the threads. If one of the priority of one thread is higher than the other, it will give that thread more importance than other thread. So if you say run as application, you can see we have changed the priority now. So if I print now, the answer is 10. Now, in thread class, we have these three constants. One is mean priority, max priority, and normal priority. So if I specify it as thread dot mean priority, it will take the minimum priority. And the value for mean priority, let's run this. Let's to check the value of minimum priority, it should be 1. So minimum priority is 1. And if I print max priority, if I say max priority, it will give you the value which is 10. So two constants, first one is mean priority, second is max priority, and the third one is norm priority. So what is norm priority here? Yeah, so it is a norm priority, and if I print the normal priority, which should be 5 again, it is 5. So we can also change the priorities of threads. So we can change the name, we can change the priority, we can even fetch the ID of the thread. So these are some important methods of thread class.